Hello, this is a tutorial video for the 10-frame web application. I'm going to go over some basic functions of the application so you know how to operate it. Now to start, the first thing we'll do is go to the top left corner and click on this 10-frame grid. When you click on the grid, it gives you an option of either 5, 10, 20, or 100. When you click on the grid, it will be automatically added to the stage and selected. To deselect, you can either click, or to reselect, we can also drag this over the top of the grid to select the grid. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of different options for chips to add to the grid. When we click on these, while the grid is selected, it will automatically add that chip to the grid to the next location. We can also add grids or add chips to the stage with the grid deselected. When you click, you can see that the chips are automatically added to the stage instead of the grid. Now we also have functions that we can do on the grids themselves. We can rotate or clone. We can also deselect the grid or delete. Now rotate simply rotates the grid by 90 degrees. Clone will make a direct copy of the grid that's currently selected. The option for move grid allows us to either move the grid itself, or selected to move chips will allow us to move chips off of the grid and back onto the stage. Finally, delete allows us to delete whatever is selected. We can also use this to select chips and delete the chips themselves. Finally, we can clear the entire workspace, resetting everything back to 0. Thank you.